Hey guys, Mr. DS18 here, and I'm going to show you guys something special on this unboxing video. The new EN-DF10A and the EN-DF10. Down-firing 10-inch subwoofer boxes. These are subwoofer enclosures. This one's an amplified version, and this is a non-amplified version. The non-amplified version, we have it connected to our little power bank we got here with the Candy 5 channel. So we're going to power this baby up on the monoblock channel, so you guys can hear it. And I'm also going to show you guys what's inside both of them in the boxes. The boxes are too big. I couldn't put them on the table, open it up. It would be boring. So here I have them opened up. Let's start off with the EN-DF10A. This is the amplified down-firing subwoofer enclosure. Before we show you what's inside the box, let's just show you guys how it looks. So we got a 10-inch flat subwoofer firing down, and then we have the amplifier right next to it. Check that out. Amplifier comes with an 8 gauge in, ground, remote, and power. You got a fuse, which is 30 amps. Then we got some level adjusters. We got the low pass filter, and we got a phase, and we got a bass boost, RCAs, and high level input. You got the protection and the power LED bulb right there. Now, what else is in the box? So we got this other box right here. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. So, what's inside? We got a bass knob. It's a plastic bass knob with a telephone jack type. We got some angles to bolt it down with some hardware to secure it so it doesn't move around in your trunk. And then we got the high level cables to connect it if your radio doesn't have RCAs. Another cool thing is the manual. That's not that cool. So, power ratings on this guy. This is a 10-inch subwoofer. It can go all the way down to 25 hertz to 250 hertz. RMS is 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power. Sensitivity is 86 dBs. And I personally have heard this inside a small vehicle. It sounds amazing. I've heard it in a truck, and it sounds amazing. Check this part out. On top, so your trunk doesn't look boring, we got the DS18 logo on it. Makes it look real nice. Now, the non-amplified. Also comes with the manual. You guys can scroll it down. Real cool. We got a similar box, but this one doesn't have the high level cables inside. So open it up. It does have only the hardware to bolt down the box so it doesn't move around. Now this one, this is the non-amplified. Very similar to this one. Doesn't have the amplifier. Now there's a big difference. This is a 2 ohm setup. This is a 4 ohm setup. This one, they do have a different kind of RMS power and max power. Now this one, remember, is rated at 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power. This one's rated at 600 watts max power, 300 watts RMS. Sensitivity is 86 dB. Frequency response is 25 hertz all the way to 250 hertz. And it also has the DS18 badge up front. And this is the down-firing sub. Now, what you guys want to hear? Let's play some tunes. Let's go over here. Let's find a nice song right here. And we are ready. We have it connected to our Candy 5 channel, so let's see how it behaves. Obviously it's underpowered. The Candy at 4 ohms doesn't have enough power to push this baby up, but I wanted to show you guys so you have a feeling of how it sounds. Let's look for the whole room's vibrating. Let's flip it over so you guys can see. gets down. Here comes the bass drop. There it goes. The whole room is shaking. Look. The phone, you see? Everything shakes. Look how good it sounds. Right there is max power. On my phone, no clipping on the amp. It sounds good. And there you guys have it. The new EN-DF10 and the new EN-DF10A. Amplified, non-amplified. You guys, make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys for tuning in for another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it last.